Good day everyone. Welcome in your English online class. Yes students, we are continuing with worksheet 49 of the topic conjunction, and today is the turn of exercise number D. It is given at page number 141. In this exercise, we see that we are having two sentences and a conjunction is given in the bracket. We have to combine these two sentences in a single whole with the help of the given conjunction. So let's go through it. The very first place we are having, he is enjoying holidays, he is studying science. In bracket we have conjunction besides. Besides का मीनिंग होता है बेटा के अतिरिक्त, मीन्स इसके अलावा, इन एडिशन टू, इसके अलावा. He is enjoying holidays besides he is studying science. वो साइंस पढ़ने के साथ साथ हॉलीडेज भी इंजॉय कर रहा है. So let us write it here. He is enjoying holidays Now the first sentence is completed here. Here we are having full stop and the next sentence is starting. But we have to combine them in a single whole. Then we will add the conjunction here besides. Now he is. We are talking about the same person. So we will omit this and continue with studying science. Besides studying science. Full stop at the end. Next is the lady is smart, the man is lazy. Conjunction is but. We are having contrast here between the lady and the man. We will write it here. The lady is smart. The lady is smart. But now students, we see that we are talking about different person. So we will continue but the man. Now this T will become small. Here it is capital. Now here it will become small because we are combining the sentences. But the man is lazy. But the man is lazy. Full stop. Next is he is rich. He is not happy yet. Yet means फिर भी. He is rich yet he is not happy. वो अमीर है लेकिन फिर भी वो खुश नहीं है. We are seeing here generally people combine richness with happiness, but here we are having a strong contrast. बहुत ज़्यादा strong contrast है because the person is rich but even though he is not happy, and the conjunction is given here yet. फिर भी he is rich yet he is not happy. Why we are putting here yet? Because it is giving us a strong contrast here. Next is he ran fast, he missed the bus. Yet he ran fast, वो तेज भागा था. He ran fast. You can see here second form of the verb run, ran, run. He ran fast yet फिर भी yet he missed the bus. Again we are seeing strong contrast here. वो तेज भागा था लेकिन फिर भी बस मिस हो गई थी. Next is I like him. He is honest because. Now here we are having because conjunction that is giving that we will use for the reasoning. I like him. मैं उसे पसंद करती हूँ. He is honest because वो honest है. What is the reason to like him? That he is honest. His honesty is the reason here. I like him An honest person is liked by all. We know it well. I like him because he is honest. Due to his honesty, he is liked by me. Yes, students, this was your exercise number D related to conjunction. I hope it's quite clear to you. Thank you, students. Good.